In this video, I will be solving the near 10 problem of the logic 1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement now. Given a non-negative number num, return true if num is within 2 of multiple of 10. So in the near 10 method, we will be given an integer n and we need to return true if that integer n is within 2 of a multiple of 10. So what does it means to be within 2 of a multiple of 10? Let's analyze some examples. When we get n as 10, the result will be true. Why? Because 10 mod 10 would be equal to 0. Same will be in the case of n being 11 or 12, because in these cases we will be getting remainder as 1 or 2, and we need to return true if num is within 2 of multiple of 10. Hence the max remainder that we can get is 2. What about the upper cases or the numbers which are somewhat below the remainder or below the multiple of 10, like 19? If we check, 19 is just one short from being multiple of 10. If we add 1 to it, we will get 20, and 20 mod 10 will be equal to 0. We will also get true in case of 18, because 18 plus 2 will give us 20, and 20 mod 10 again will give us 0 or true. So in these 4 cases, we need to return true. So we can write the code or result in a single line, something like return if we have got num as the input, the remainder after dividing the num by 10 should lie in the range 0 to 2, which will handle our these cases. So for that we can write return num mod 10 greater than equal to 0 and num mod 10 less than equal to 2. It will be handling our these cases. Or we can get such a num which is just one shorter than being a multiple of 10, such as 19, for which we can write num plus 1 mod 10 should give us 0. And finally we can get one such number which is just 2 shorter than being a multiple of 10, such as 18, for which we can write num plus 2 mod 10 equal to 0. So this is the final code which should work. Let me add this code in IDE and run the test cases to verify. All of the test cases are passing. Now let me submit this code on the platform. All correct. Now we can finally push this code on GitHub. Near 10. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.